Investors are cheering because the markets rallied after Fed Chair Jerome Powell spoke in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Now, this is a much awaited speech because over the last few months, the market's been rallying on the expectation of rate cuts coming starting in September. But over the last few weeks, we got some conflicting data that suggests the job market is not as strong as the Fed would like. Remember, the job of the Fed is twofold. It's to keep employment high and keep inflation under control and relatively low. And sometimes the Fed's in between a rock and a hard place if those things get out of balance. Now, the good news is inflation has been pretty moderate and the job market has been strong. So all eyes have been on this September predicted rate cut until the last few weeks where the job market has started to look a little bit weak and inflation has started to tick up. So everyone was walking into today expecting the Fed to potentially walk back the expectation of rate cuts, which would be negative for markets. The good news is investors basically got the green light, the all clear signal that rate cuts are coming starting in September. Stocks were up today, bonds were up, gold, crypto also meaningfully rallied. So in terms of the path from here, the Fed's not out of the woods. They're going to keep their eyes on the job market, on inflation, and remain data dependent. But we expect this to unleash a resumption of the risk appetite that's been fueling this rally year to date, which is good news if you're sitting at home as an investor.